So I can't believe where we're at. We're standing here in the community called Bella Collina, which is a very high-end luxury neighborhood, just a little bit east of Claremont, where I do a lot of my information from, but we're still in Lake County. And this is my backyard, people. Look at this amazing, this is a Nick Faldo golf course. We've got 3-story homes here with basements because we've got the rolling hills of Claremont, which I absolutely love. The Tuscan feel of this community is second to none, and we're going to show you a lot more about that and discover a little bit more about what this area of Lake County has to offer. And it's all on the house. So one of the benefits of living in a community like this, in a home like this, is having a pool like this. Everybody that moves to Florida, they put a pool in, they buy a palm tree, and they buy a convertible. Those are the 3 must-haves. And this pool is gorgeous. It's got a sun deck, it's got a built-in spa, it's got a water fountain in it, water features. It's got everything that everybody wants. And then look at the view behind me. This amazing golf course, again, designed by Nick Faldo. It's an 18-hole course. It's just stunning. I don't have any other words for it because it's part of the clubhouse and the amenities associated with here in Bella Collina. It does come at a cost. So each home site, you have to have a membership to the clubhouse, and you can buy a sports membership or a golf membership, and you can switch those back and forth. If you don't want to pay for the golf, you can always add that on later, but you have to buy at least a sports membership, which still includes access to the spa, the tennis courts, and the restaurants and all the other amenities. You just don't get to golf as much. But if you want the full golf experience, if that's why you're moving to a community like this, which I would advise, because you can run the whole gamut of the course in your own golf cart and play golf all day, every day. So why wouldn't you take advantage of this stunning views and landscape in Bella Collina? So now we're up at the clubhouse at Bella Collina, and you can see, like I said, it's Tuscan-Inspired, and I don't feel like I'm in even Florida, let alone Claremont, Florida. But let's take a peek at this amazing place. Come on. So there's wedding space, there's banquet space, and you can see the incredible views that this location offers. I've been to several events here, and they put on one heck of a event because they cater to more affluent customers, and that's the lifestyle that you deserve and that you've sought so hard to achieve. This is the reward. Getting views like this in buildings like this with service like this, it's all right here in Bella Collina. So this is one of the event centers that Bella Collina offers. I've actually been to some events inside here. It's just a huge banquet hall, and it hosts everything from weddings to, we did a builder event here, any kind of special party, and it's all at your fingertips. If you live in this community, you have access to all these things. There's a spa on site, there's 2 restaurants, tennis courts, these banquet facilities. There's a really cool walkout basement area that we saw the views from before from the upper level. When you come out on the ground level, it's just as stunning, and you should appreciate it because you don't get this in Central Florida. So like I mentioned, this is a very expansive banquet room. And again, look at the details that they put in here. The views are incredible. You can see the lake, you can see some homes, the rolling hills. And at night, I've been here at night, and the sunsets are gorgeous because of the lighting and the reflections you get off the lake and from the houses that are far away. It's all just beautiful. They've got a built-in dance floor here. You can see they hold events. The chandeliers are amazing. The windows, the floor-to-ceiling windows are amazing. This is just one of those spaces that fits very well in with this community. So now we're actually downstairs below ground level, which again, in Florida, I know it's kind of hard to imagine, and I come from up north where we have basements and they're common, but down in Florida, being underground feels weird. But this room is so cool. They did it so right. I mean, I can touch the ceilings, and we're encased in brick, and it just adds to the mystique of this place and how well it was thought out. Every little detail, they made it feel like this on purpose. It wasn't because they had to. they did it on purpose, and I love it. You can see there's little cubby holes, there's wine cellars down here, there's secret doors everywhere. There's these little meeting rooms that you can have a social event or a wedding party or whatever you want to do. This is a great space to do that in. So everything from a pro shop to a day spa, restaurants, there's a wine cellar. Again, you just have to experience it. And let me show you a little something over here. This is how opulent this place is. Look where they park the golf carts. That amazing fountain is surrounded by golf carts, and that's the lifestyle and what the expectations are in a community like this. That's amazing. So you can spend an entire day just in the amenity and clubhouse centers and just immerse yourself and feel the culture, feel the details that they went to, the lengths that they went to make this feel authentic. The vines on the walls, the water ports coming out here, the barrel tile roofs, the murals that look aged even though they're not. Everything about this place just screams that you're surrounded by luxury and opulence, and it's a good feeling, I gotta tell you. There's so much more to this place. I can't cover it all, but just know that at every turn, every corner, you gotta look up, look down. This is literally like being in Tuscany or Florence without the tourism. It's just, they've recreated this to feel and give you that sense of lifestyle that so many people long for, and it's within your reach. It's very obtainable, and you have to experience it in person. So let me show you a little bit more and what Bella Collina has to offer. All right, and of course, in this community, as you can see behind me, they're still building this place out. It's a long project because of the price point. Most of the homes in here are going to start at 7 figures and go up from there. But you can see the stunning views and everything. It's well worth the price. Almost every home has a pool and a view. The lot sizes are a little bit smaller, but the interiors of these homes are just stunning. And you've got 8 different builders to choose from. So we've got semi-custom to full custom, maybe some you've heard of, maybe not. Toll Brothers is one of the community's builders. They're almost sold out, but there's 6 other completely custom builders that can build you anything you want. I would encourage you to take a look at it, because look at that view behind me, and the infinity pools and everything you could dream of is right here in Bella Collina. I'm Sean McCormick, and thanks for tuning in. And as always, this information is on the house.